The court faced a predicament in calling for the postponement as the case had to be finalized this year. If it had to be postponed to next year, it may be presided over by another judge and therefore start from scratch. Judge Collins Parker is due for retirement in 2024. The only full day they could find on the judge's schedule was December 12, on which they all settled. Earlier, Job Amupanda took the witness stand in the High Court, during which he detailed the relationship between him and Hinda-Mbuende, which according to him dates back 18 years. In his evidence, Amupanda said he never intended to defame Hinda-Mbuende, but wanted to show through his social media comments that she was a fierce and fearless fighter for the independence of this country. If anything, he testified, it was to celebrate her bravery. The face of an unknown woman, clad in jeans and a white t-shirt, Amupanda told the court was fair and reasonable in as far as it was used as a satirical image. Amupanda instead accused Hinda-Mbuende of viewing the comments through a political lens and wanting to use the court to settle political scores. Hinda-Mbuende, who is the plaintiff in the matter, did not take kindly to the comments and sued Amupanda for $1 million, claiming that some of the comments portrayed her as an uncouth woman of loose morals. In his evidence, Amupanda also claims that Hinda-Mbuende made a number of advances on him for what he called a proximity relationship, which he says he turned down. Amupanda, in his supplementary statement in response to Vitalio Angula's testimony in support of Hinda-Mbuende's case, said the witness is not an independent expert on anything and does not have any primary evidence regarding this particular case. Quoting from a number of negative articles in which the journalist Vitalio Angula had written about him, Amupanda said the journalist could not be an objective witness. Hans Kahumbi had to interject on a number of occasions during Amupanda's testimony, objecting to alleged late insertion of documents in the record and going back to exhibits that were dealt with already, as well as changing their numbering of the exhibits. The defense responded, saying it was all for context. Amupanda's testimony will be put to test next Tuesday, December 12th, when he will face cross-examination.